Hello and welcome to the video. Today I'll be talking about 4 great monthly dividend stocks that I'm buying right now. These stocks will be added to our Dividend A to Z portfolio, where we test out how our dividend only portfolio will perform percentage wise versus my real money portfolio, other dividend only indexes, and the major market indexes like the Dow and S&P. This will be an equal weight portfolio, so I'll be adding $1,000 worth of each asset to my portfolio. Let's get right into it. The first monthly income stock I want to talk about is Shaw Communications, ticker symbol SJR. They have many business models for both consumers and businesses. I'll go through some of them quickly. First off, for the consumers, there's Shaw Mobile. These are some of their mobile plans. As you can see, they give new users incentive to join with a free service as long as you follow certain restrictions. According to their website, with Shaw, you can enjoy their fast internet, connect to Wi-Fi on the go, and access their 5G services. They also have an internet service for consumers touting up to 300 megabits per second downloads and 15 megabit per second uploads and unlimited data. They also have a great TV service for consumers as well. They have voice remote, streaming apps, and connected phone apps. As you can see, their internet plus TV bundles are pretty affordable. Along with their consumer services, here's a list of all of their different business ventures. With this part of the business, Shaw works to scale their internet services for small, mid-size, and big businesses. These services include smart Wi-Fi, cloud services, smart security, smart surveillance, Shaw Business TV, Shaw Business Internet, Smart Voice, and more. Shaw Communications is being acquired by Rogers Communications, ticker symbol RCI. SJR is being bought out at $32 a share, so since the stock is currently at $26, that represents a $6 gain per share if you bought in now. For now, you can hold on to your SJR shares and collect the monthly dividends until your stocks are transferred over. I was considering putting this in a stock picks video, but instead I'll keep this gem here since RCI will also pay out a dividend. SJR is currently trading at $26.39. The stock recently surged on the merger news. With SJR, we'll be making $35.62 in yearly income. That's $2.90 a month or 10 cents a day. Next up, we have LTC Properties, ticker symbol LTC. So the next stock on our list, LTC, is a REIT stock, a real estate investment trust, a company that owns, operates, and finances income-producing properties. Many of the stocks in this video will be REITs because they are required to pay out the majority of their income to shareholders if they don't want to pay income tax. LTC still hasn't fully recovered from the recent stock market crash. LTC's portfolio is made up of 50% senior housing and 50% skilled nursing properties and has investments in 27 states. People are living longer and more people are going to nursing homes. The pandemic may have deterred this a little bit, but I believe overall this market is extremely strong. LTC is 28 years old and owns 184 properties. LTC is pretty much as diversified as it can be in its niche. They have 27 properties in Michigan and 34 properties in Texas. As I said before, LTC is pretty diversified. Some names you might be familiar with are Prestige Healthcare, Senior Care Centers, Brookdale Senior Living, and Anthem Memory Care. Here are some upcoming projects they have going on. They are currently working on facilities in Missouri and Atlanta and are always looking to expand. They put a lot of effort into their exterior and interior designs of their buildings to make their residents as comfortable as possible. Their facilities offer many services and activity rooms. LTC is currently trading at $42.84. With LTC, we'll be making $53.22 in yearly income. This means we'll be receiving $4.43 a month or 15 cents a day. The next stock that is a must-have for monthly dividend investors is O Realty Income, ticker symbol O. O Realty is another REIT stock. Here are some ways they take care of and make extra cash off their properties. So here are their asset management initiatives. First off, redevelopment. Their website states, in support of our active redevelopment efforts, Realty Income's asset management team works to reposition existing assets through a variety of value-add transaction types. demise of an existing building in order to create a long-term relationship with our existing tenant, as well as create additional relationships with excess space. Build to suit, reverse build to suit, development into a single or multi-tenant parcel, renovation, remodel, and expansion of existing buildings. Then it's ancillary revenue. Asset management further maximizes the value of our portfolio through various strategic ancillary revenue generating opportunities. These are out parcels on existing assets, ATMs, cell towers, solar arrays, billboard advertising, and electric vehicle charging stations. They have a heavy focus in California, Texas, and Florida. They also have a little over 3% of its diversification in the UK. Realty focuses mostly on convenience stores. The significant investment in the movie industry at 2.7% and 32 leases may be worrisome to some of you, but AMC is on the higher end of the movie theater spectrum. Also, the fitness centers might continue to take a hit for a little while, but it seems people are still going to the gym, and these businesses will definitely survive. Besides those few iffy sectors, I love most of the businesses they work with, especially their top 5 investments in Walgreens, 7-Eleven, Dollar General, FedEx, and the Dollar Tree franchise. Realty leases 6,364 retail properties, representing 83.9% of its rental revenue, 119 industrial properties, representing 10.9% of its rental properties, 43 office properties, representing 3.5%, and 15 agriculture properties, representing 1.7% of their rental properties. They are constantly expanding their reach and growing their real estate portfolio. Their portfolio occupancy has never been below 96%. You can see that they've been able to keep those vacancies down while consistently growing the amount of properties in their portfolio. Realty is currently trading at $64.20. Realty will be paying us $43.91 in yearly income. This means we'll be receiving a $3.66 payout each month, or 12 cents each day. The last stock on this list is Stag Industrial, ticker symbol STAG. Here is Stag Industrial's acquisition criteria. Profile: primarily single and 2-tenant, 100% occupied industrial building, vacant and partially vacant buildings considered. Use: warehouse, distribution, and light manufacturing. Building type: Class A or B. All construction types: tilt up masonry, metal, precast. Term: all lease terms. Credit profile: all credit profiles. Location: all U.S. markets. Focus on primary and secondary industrial markets. Tertiary locations considered. Deal size: 5 to 100 million on a single asset basis. No maximum for portfolios. Finally, transaction type: investor sale, sale leaseback, and build to suit forward commitments. They have 57 leases, almost 10 million square feet leased, and an approximate retention rate of 74%, with their cumulative leasing activity per square foot increasing every year. On their website, you can scroll through and see all the properties in their portfolio. They have a large focus on Texas and South Carolina. Stag is currently sitting at $34.25 a share. Stag Industrial will be paying us $42.38 in yearly income. This means we'll be receiving a $3.43 payout each month, or 12-cent payout each day. After today's additions, this portfolio will pay us out $584.33 each year. That means we'll be receiving $48.69 monthly, or $1.60 every day. The current yield for this portfolio is 4.49%. With only a conservative 4% annual dividend growth rate and a 2% gain in annual stock price, this portfolio would be worth $70,262 in 20 years. In 20 years, the annual dividend income for this portfolio would be about $6,000.535 a year. Check out the last video to see why we added the other holdings. Here's my upcoming payments. On average, the monthly payout is about $48, but some months I'll be paid out up to $61. So these are the 4 monthly dividend stocks we'll be adding to our Dividend A to Z portfolio today. Please remember, I am not a financial professional, so do your own due diligence. If you want free stocks, make sure to check out the links in the description. Comment below your favorite stock from the list or any monthly dividend stocks that you're planning to buy. That's all for today, and I'll see you on the next video.